These are double deck convection oven. The difference between this oven and regular oven at your home is that this one has a fan on inside and it's make your cook time lower, and then the temperature is higher. So if you have the recipe from home that say 350 degree, you usually have to adjust to this oven to 300 to 325. Usually it's 25 to 50 degree lower than the recipe that you use with your standard oven at home. Okay. The way this machine is work is it's had a knob over here that says oven off and cook. When you want the oven on, you have to turn it to cook. Okay. Then you adjust temperature with the second dial over here. 350, 375, 400, depending on what you're cooking. Once you turn the machine on and put it at temperature, the oven will start heating up, and you can tell by the lights is still on, it's still heating up. Okay. The last dial that we need to know is the timer. So you can put on to a maximum of 1 hour. Okay. All you do is to adjust to the minutes that you want, the time of cooking, and it will keep going until the time is up, and then it will make a buzz noise. You can stop the buzz noise by push the dial to the off position on the timer dial. Okay. The oven has the door that you have to open. Alright, different racks in there that you can adjust. If you have something higher, you can take the rack off and then put it on the side of the oven, or you can leave the racks on if your items are not that high. So right now we have 6 different racks on it that you can put 6 different food trays of items in there. Okay. Once you close, make sure the oven's completely closed. You might have to push it a little harder, because if the oven is not completely closed, then your oven is not working properly to the temperature that you want. So see, I closed it and it's still not closed tight, so you have to push it a little. Right? Once you're done, go ahead and turn the oven off. Turn the dial to the oven off. Okay, and the machine will go off by itself. Now you have any spill in this oven, clean it up at the end of your shift, and we do the deep cleaning of the oven at the end of the semester.